I don't have money. Can I start a job servicing business? I get this asked so many times. So today, I'm going to show you 5 steps how I start job servicing with zero investment. Do remember to stick till the end where I reveal an extra tip for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Job servicing is by far the best way to start a business with no money. I started my job servicing business with literally zero capital, and I was able to make $8,600 in less than a week. Basically, I used my initial profit and then slowly scale the business up. What I mean is that I'm putting back the money I've earned and start scaling it by building websites or paid advertisements. Here are the exact 5 steps I use to start job servicing with no money. Step number 1, identify your target audience. I have said this a million times and I'm gonna repeat it again today. Knowing who your target audience is crucial because you know exactly what kind of services they need. This way you can target them easily when you are marketing your services. Plus, it will make it so much easier to understand just one type of audience rather than many different kinds of audience. My all-time favorite example is the property agents. I choose to only target them because I truly understand them, as I was one of them. I understand exactly what they need, and that's what matters most. Step number 2 is determine the services you want to promote to your target audience. Take my example, which is the property agents. I start by listing down the services that they may need. At that time, it was 3 years ago, and most property agents need flyer design, website development, and property videos. But I need to focus only one service first, as I'm new to providing digital services. So I don't want to overwhelm myself. A little side note here. Right now, if your target audience is the property agents, there are more services that you can offer to them, and one of the popular ones is social media services. Most commission earners or self-employed nowadays need to create social presence, so they need a lot of help in this area. Here are my 3 criteria for deciding on which service I should start promoting first. The first criteria is that the service needs to be the most profitable. So I strike off flyer design, as many flyer printers in the market are offering free flyer design if they choose to print with them. Website development and video services are very profitable, but I chose the latter because of the second criteria. That is, you need to choose a service that you either have a little experience or that you are interested in. This criteria is optional, but trust me, it will make your job much easier if you have this criteria. My third criteria is very simple, and that is to make sure your services have a good supplier, aka a freelancer, because we are doing job servicing here, and no point of promoting digital services if you do not have any expert doing them for you, unless you want to do it on your own. Step number 3 is create a portfolio. This is a very important step because your potential client would want to see some of your projects before deciding whether to engage you or not. Now, a portfolio do not necessarily be a deal you close before. It can be something you have created that you can showcase. There are 2 methods I use to create my portfolio. Number 1, I created my own house tour video and make it my portfolio. Please note that I have a great interest in video creation, so I produced my own video. If you are not good at editing, just film a simple video and edit using a free mobile app to help create a nice edited video. Number 2, I gather some video examples produced by my freelancer and I send them to my clients upon request. Creating a portfolio as a beginner in job servicing is not complicated at all. You need to understand that your client just wants to see some sort of samples in order to be convinced. So trust me, I gave my personal YouTube videos to convince my very first client. Step number 4 is create profiles on free online platforms. As a beginner in job servicing, and probably you do not want to spend a dime when you just started out, you may not want to spend money at all on building a website. So creating profiles come in handy in order to start branding your job servicing business without any investment. The profiles that I'm referring to are LinkedIn, Contra, and social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. This will help create a social presence for your business and eventually help you to attract potential clients. Platforms like LinkedIn Marketplace and Contra helps to connect clients to your services for free. Plus, with Contra Profile, acts like a website whereby you can list your services and feature your portfolios. Lastly, determine your pricing and design a few upsell packages to be posted on the online platforms. Step number 5 is promote your services to your network. Now your profile, packages, and portfolios are ready, then it's time to promote your service organically. Due to the challenge that I participated in, which is the Make $10,000 in 10 Days Challenge, I was desperate, so I promote my video editing service aggressively to my own property agent friends. I pitched to them the upsell packages so that I can secure a higher ticket sale. Some purchased a mini package and one bought the biggest package that I offered at that time. Basically, I used 3 methods to close these big clients. The first one is direct marketing. I call up the agents whom I know to promote my video editing services. The second method is through referral. Some friends referred me to friends that they know needed the services. This word of mouth method is powerful and it is like a chain reaction. The moment you get to close one referral and this new client refers another one to you, the chain never stops. The referrals kept on coming in and most of them turned into my loyal clients. The final method is social media marketing, specifically content marketing. Basically, you make regular content about your services on social media platforms. This is the best way to attract organic clients without the need to pay for any advertisements. These were the exact 5 steps I took to make $8,600 in 6 days. I started with no investment at all and I was able to scale my job servicing business with the profit I made from the challenge. I invested in a website, I did some Facebook ads. One extra point I want to mention is that I was able to start job servicing with no money because I always request the client to pay upfront so that I can pay the freelancer with the money without the need to fork out money from my own pocket. I hope today's video is helpful. To leave your questions under this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!